Simply play music and earn money. How simple can that be? Come on in and let me show you how. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to get paid $280 daily for listening to music. This doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in the video, because if you do, there's a high risk that you miss out on an important step that would otherwise make your profit a lot higher. So guys, make sure to stick around until the end and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to the channel because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. And for the first step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to playlistpush.com. And Playlist Push is the website which is gonna make us some money today, as they are connecting artists to playlist curators. We help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist curators a way to discover new music. And this is the website which is actually gonna pay us to listen to music. And well, you are already listening to some music every day. Every day you listen to some, and now you have the opportunity to get paid while you're doing that. This is the best method that I've found so far. So basically, you can just lay in your bed, put on some music, and while you're doing that, you're gonna be profitable. So how sweet that can be. As you can see, they are very, very popular by now. They have plenty of users, and they have 23 million listeners already, and they have almost 1,000 curators as well as 5,500 successful campaigns. That's some great numbers, and these guys are very legit, as they were mentioned on Fortune, Hypebot.com, Medium, and CD Baby. So basically, this website is pretty legit, pretty profitable, and we're gonna use it today to our advantage to make us some money on it. Down here, you also got some reviews from people who used it. As you can see, these are all great ones, but you don't necessarily have to trust these. I suggest that you do your own research, but in the end, you just have to try it on yourself and see, is it working for you. It worked for me, and now I want to show you how we can earn money on this website. I want you guys to go on the top of the page and just click on this section, which is for creators. Now, you've got two options here. You can select this Spotify playlist creators or TikTok video creators. If you are into TikTok and you've got some profile there and you are regularly going there and have some experience with it, I suggest that you go with this option. I'm more inclined to Spotify version, so I'm going to use this video to show it through this example. So I want to click on Spotify playlist creators. And now here you can see that we can get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. As you can see, qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song review. It's a great method. $12 just for listening to some song is a nice money, guys. And as you can see, they've got instant payouts. So request a payout at any time. They pay directly to your bank account. And you can as well discover new music in the process and have some fun with it. But as you can see, you need to have some followers on Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. So if you already have a good Spotify account or TikTok account for that matter, you are going to be more profitable from the start. But if you don't, it doesn't matter. You can generate it as you go and you will get paid. So all we have to do now, guys, is click on the Sign Me Up button. And that's gonna open this simple application form. Now you just have to enter your name, your email address, where do you live, your mobile phone number, and your biggest playlist on Spotify. So you just go and make some Spotify playlist, and then you can come back here and put the link on it. And you need to have this Spotify account, which has 1,000 followers, because Playlist Push wants to get sure to make their curators real persons and not bots. And we are not bots, we are real people, of course, but we need to gather those followers, and it shouldn't be too hard because you can use other websites, you can use Reddit, you can use YouTube to gather some followers to your Spotify link, or you can even ask your friends to do it for you. So it is really easy to gather only 1,000 followers here because we need those in order to start earning money on Playlist Push. They've got that specific rules, and it's a good rule, so not anyone can go up there and earn $12 per song. I mean, $12 per song is a great money, so some set of rules is really needed there. So all you have to do now, create your playlist, gather some followers here with the help of other websites, and then you can finish your registration process and start making money. And here is their website on Trustpilot. As you can see, 679 reviews, and they've got a rating of 4.1 out of 5. Now, that is pretty amazing rating. Down here, there are some good comments. So people are indeed satisfied with this app, and they're making some money here, so we can do that as well. And we don't need to make any investment in this. We only need to invest some of our spare time, listen to some music, and get paid. I mean, how easier that can be. You can lay in your bed, put that music on autoplay, and you're gonna earn money. $12 per song, guys. That's some great amount. And as you can see, these guys are very happy here. For example, this one, very happy with our results. Again, with Playlist Push. Smooth process and customer service for my clients, and some incredible reach and well-fitting playlist ads. And in the end, they say my team will continue using their services. These guys are 100% legit, but are very expensive. But this person is using it for another reason, and they're not earning money here. They are people who buy stuff from the Playlist Push, and those people are gonna pay us because Playlist Push is sharing that revenue with us, so it's a win-win situation for everybody involved. So guys, all you have to do is visit this website, follow my instructions, and you are ready for earning some money. You can just listen to music and get paid. No skill, no experience, nothing. You don't need anything other than your spare time. And we all got some spare time, don't we? The only difference is how we use it. And we gotta use it smartly, guys. We have to invest our spare time in something which would be profitable in the long run. You have to go and search for those passive income streams, make them work so you can enjoy in the long run. You can be more happy in the future if you start taking action right now. That's all you need to do, guys. Go out there, do some research, watch my videos, follow instructions, and you'll be all set. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.